Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, 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 it's time for some practical Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling。听起来我心情很好，很开心，对不对？
对啊，看你哇，一直在笑哦。
I know, I sound very happy right now because this whole month we've been teaching you how to say what's wrong. 我们都一直在教怎么了，虽然8、9不离10，怎么了？可能真的是有伤心事或者什么事情让你困扰，对不对？
我今天要问你哦，
你
用的黑毛？
用的黑毛就是很好心情的，你怎么了？
对，我在疑惑。
Okay, that's how you say what's wrong. But in this case, it's what's right. Something is happy apparently with this person, right? So it could be about getting accepted to a company. You have a new job, maybe a new college degree or something that's coming towards your way. 有可能是被录取了，有新的工作了，都会很开心。
恭喜哦！
对，恭喜！那等一下好好的来教，对不对？ She already jumped the gun here. How to say congratulations? That's one thing I wanted to ask Alice. But let's start from the top. Your mood is very happy, 很高兴，很 excited. 怎么说？
听，
就这样啊？听。
对啊
Just one word, and that means I'm excited, I'm happy. 哇，这我一定要记得。听，
咚咚咚咚，
这样感觉会吸取更多正面能量。
对
OK
所以你以后就很高兴，边走就听。
Okay, that's how you say happy.
那海陆腔叫听。
OK, 其实差不多啦。听。Okay, a different dialect of saying happy. Now, it could be because you got accepted to something, especially maybe a new job. 录取。
六七。
Okay, that's an acceptance. 六七。And then, what we just taught you earlier, congratulations, 恭喜。恭喜啊，这个也很好用。其实在被录取啦，生小孩啦，对不对？然后呢，有新的男朋友、女朋友啦，中乐透啦，过年啊都可以。
对啊，都可以恭喜
啊，对。All right, let's go ahead and teach you to make a sentence out of one of these phrases. 哎，公司录取我了。
对。
The company has accepted me. How do you say that?
公司錄取我。
公司錄取我。Okay, 公司 that's the company. 錄取 that's to accept. 我。That's me.
对。
All right, let's review all these phrases. 高興 happy. 聽对，然后再来录取就是 accept. 錄取 and congratulations 恭喜。恭喜 It's all about what's wrong or what's going on. All right, what's wrong 怎么了？
用的黑毛。
And that does it for today's practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
汉字声装来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.